Hello, Internet. Welcome back to me in Entropy 02, and I have encountered a bit of a bug. There's the button in there that you need to push. We also found another bug. I don't think the developer was intending for players to block those so I can get back out, but I figured out that works, kind of. Like this happens. If you notice, there's Wilson holding open the doors, and the two companion cubes I got are also holding those open. There's the button in there. Here. I go to push it. And just nothing happens. I can't push the button. I did all the stuff to push the button. I've played this game multiple times on my old Steam account. I can't push the button. It just doesn't work. Jesus. How am I supposed to progress the game if I can't push the button? That one button right there to progress the game. How am I supposed to do that, Breadman? I sure know it ain't. It ain't using the props to keep the doors open. Speaking of which, I am going to go check to see if the gate thing opened. Bad news, everyone. The door is not open, meaning even if I did keep the props from closing those doors, I can't just leave through this big one, which, by the way, I have to push that green button that won't work. There's a guy in there. How am I supposed to progress? I can't push the button to progress. I'd suggest it instead be like a thing you have to shoot. Kind of like that one part in the aperture area. You know, with the when you get separated from your combine dudes, and there's that like low gravity room. I can't push the button to get through. Come on, please work. I reloaded the checkpoint like several times. Come on. Come on, work. Or watch this. I'm watching a tutorial or a walkthrough, and he just walks up and pushes the button. Work. Did I do something wrong or something? Why can't I just push the button? Hi, Wilson. I know I'm not. Yeah, you're holding the door open. Stun grenades, huh? Just gotta test to see if we can close that door. No. Okay, now can I push the button? Once again, YouTube, I'm recording with my phone. No, I can't. Why would I? Breadman, please help me.